Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create blur background on Canva design. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my design on Canva and I'm going to create YouTube thumbnail. And as you can see guys, I have added this image as the background of my thumbnail and I'm going to create blur background. And if I want to create blur background, we can apply blur effect. But wait, let me show you the layer. I'm going to click on layer here. And I'm going to click on show layer. Okay, I'm going to apply blur effect to this background. So I'm just going to select the background. You can select the background or the photo on the layer, or just simply click on the background like this. And then you're going to go to the edit and you're going to apply blur effect. The blur effect is here. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select edit. And then we're going to go to the blur effect, this one. Okay, and then you can select whole image if you want to blur whole image, and then increase the intensity. Okay, and if you want to blur a specific part, you can use the brush here. And for the whole image, just select whole image and customize the blur intensity. Okay, now it's done, and this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create blur effect for our background on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!